morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working hard for the development of your listening and speaking skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I'll read a very beautiful and well-known study with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Now the story. But I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You'll know the name and the moral at the end. Let's start. A lark who had a nest of young ones in a wheat field had to leave them each day to go out and hunt food for them. As the wheat ripened, the mother, expecting the arrival of the reapers, left word that the young larks should report to her all the news they heard. One day, while she was absent, the farmer came to view his crop. It is high time, he called his son, that our grain is cut. Go and tell all our neighbors to come early in the morning to help us reap it. When the mother came, her children told her what they had heard and begged her to remove them to a place of safety. There's plenty of time, said she. If friend farmer waits for his neighbor to help him, there's no danger of the grain being harvested tomorrow. The next day, the owner came again, and finding the day warmer and the wheat dead ripe and nothing done, said to his son, "There is not a moment to be lost. We cannot depend on our neighbors. We must call in all of our relatives. You run now and call all your uncles and cousins and tell them to be here right in early morning tomorrow to begin the harvest." In still greater fear, the young larks reported to the mother the farmer's words when she came home to her nest. "If that is all," said she, "then do not let it frighten you, for relatives always have the harvesting of their own to do. But I want you to listen very carefully to what you hear the next time, and be sure to let me know what is said." The next day, while she was away, the farmer came as before, and finding the grain almost ready to fall to the ground from the over-ripeness, and still no one at work, called to his son, "We can't wait for our neighbors and relatives any longer. You and I are going to the barn right now and sharpen our sickles. At dawn tomorrow morning, we shall get to work and harvest the grain ourselves." When the young larks told their mother what they had heard the farmer say, she cried, "Then it is time to be off indeed. If the master has made up his mind to undertake the work himself, then the grain really will be cut." So the mother lark moved her nest, and the next day the farmer and his son came with the sickles and harvested the grain. The name of the story, The Lark and Her Young Ones. And the moral, if you want a task well done, do it yourself.